is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is the Talented Creators Collaboration. Our host is Design with Aria, Lowly D's Creation, Gazelle's Creative Studio. Please check out their channels in my description box and the amazing creators in the playlist. Today's theme is we had to do at least one angel DIY. I did two, and a deer. I got this at Dollar Tree, and it came with two bells, and it had a bow on it. I used the other bell and the bow on another project, and I thought, let's just turn this into kind of a glam angel. Okay. I may have to do it different. Okay, I just made a little finger bow. I added our bow. Now I'm going to just add just a little bit of greenery. Okay, we're going to start out with, this is 48 inches of string, and we're going to make some loops. We're going to try to keep them even. And then we're going to lay those have our bow, have it like this. Make sure these two ends are about the same size, because they're going to come in handy later. We're going to take our measuring tape, and we're going to measure out 15 inches of cord. Which would be right here, and we're going to cut that. And we're going to add this evenly, make it even, and that's going to go here. Now we're going to measure 11.5 inches of cording, the brown, and we're going to take it and we're going to divide it. Just like that. Now we're going to take this and we're going to make sure everything is even here. And then we're going to take this and we're going to tie this off. Okay, we cut 12 13.5 inch pieces of this pink cording, and we're going to make it try to make them even. And some of them might not be perfect, but we can trim them later. The biggest thing, I want them laid out pretty even. Now I'm going to take our comb and we're going to comb these out. And you want to comb both sides. The easiest way is to comb them out individually, I think. And we're going to put them in piles of 6. Putting 6 strands on either side of these white. I'm going to gather this around and I'm going to make a knot. I just took the longest 2 strands and wrapped it around. And now I'm going to make a knot. Now I'm just adjusting the wings, making sure the legs is going in the right direction. I'm gonna trim some of, if you like the shabby, the kind of rustic look, don't do this. But I think I'm gonna trim it a little bit. Because I like my legs to show. Like her feet to show a little bit. Like that. Now we're gonna add our bead for her head. And I found all this stuff on Amazon. It's a kit from Amazon to make an angel. Cut 7 strips of cording, and it's 7.5 inches. And we're going to brush this out. And make sure to get both sides. And then we're going to take this here. And you want to try to make it even on top of her head. You don't want her to make it look like she had a bad cut. You know, you come home from the salon and half your hair is, is an inch shorter on one side and the other. We don't want that. Now we're going to take the longest piece because we want to keep her hair out of her face. And I may need some little hot glue to get her hair manageable. Need a little hot glue to make sure her hair's in place. Okay, let's make sure her hair looks right. The best way is there's one place that needs just a little glue and pushed. We don't want our girl looking bald. Or like she has a bad wig. Okay, this was base painted with burnt umber, and we're gonna just make us a little reindeer. I'm going in and just add a couple black dots to his eyes. Maybe some eyelashes, just a few. And I've done 3 coats of red, and this red doesn't want a red. Yeah. Glue some pine to the back. And this is just from the Dollar. The pine is actually from the Dollar Tree. For his antlers. Ooh. And I have a bow that I've already made. I'm just going to cut the one end off. I'm going to add it. Right between it there. Here is our little tassel angel we made. And here is our angel tree topper. Tell me which angel is your favorite. She sure makes a nice presence on my tree. Okay, here is our little deer that we created. Tell me what you think.